What's up, YouTube? It's the OG back again with another video. This gonna be a real quick video. I'm about to clay bar my car. I just got done washing it, and this right here, this product right here, clay bar. So I'm about to do this and see how it turns out, you know. So I'll show you guys the results after I'm done. So sit tight. It's a clay bar right here. You don't have to use that much, just a little. So I'm just gonna tear this off and use this. Spray this on there, you know. So sit tight, let's see how this turns out. I'm just doing this side right here to see how it turns out. Man, this stuff's sticky. Hold tight. Now, I really can't tell too much of a difference, but I can. Now, I just did this side right, and it's smooth as a baby ass. Over here, got a little, you can feel what I'm saying, I don't know how to explain it, but it's, you can feel the grit over here. But right here, it's smooth, man. So yeah, I recommend this. It's the Mother's Clay Bar, and it works real good, man. You can see right there. Now this, I didn't do, just right up in here. I mean, it works. Yeah. Well, this is the end result. Let me turn the light on. This is the end result, man. I'm telling you, this sucker is clean, man. I mean, clean, clean, Jack. You feel me? Definitely can tell the damn difference. On some real talk. You definitely can. Let me show y'all something. What up, though? You can see the, man, it's like a mirror, man. For real, for real. That clay bar work, man. Check it out. I mean, if you got a nice little whip, whatever kind of whip you got, do that clay bar to your car, man, and you will tell the results in it. Let me see. Turn the light out. I keep my whip clean, man. This car ain't for a nasty nigga. I don't smoke in it, none of that shit. This bitch smell like new. I keep white tiles over my seats. You see the carpet, it's clean. Back clean. That's my sunscreen for the front windshield. But yeah, Gotta do that door jam again. But yeah, I like that, man. Well, y'all, I appreciate you stopping by. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It's the OG. I'm gonna get up out of here as always.